All right, let's find out what's going on with the weather.
Hey, you two.
Hey.
Hello, middle of the week.
Midweek, yeah.
Yeah.
Things going well
Not
so
bad.
far. Not bad, not bad. Moving forward, we're getting closer to the cool down. Fridays when it arrives. Rain arriving tomorrow. Just wanted to start off with a look at today, just so you guys knew where we topped out. Just give you some perspective. Nice day overall, right? We had a couple of spots in the low 70s. Tomorrow is going to be a little cooler, and then a little cooler Friday, and then a little cooler Saturday. You have to talk high like that when it gets cold. And Sunday's looking like another cool day. You know, we're going to keep it for a few days. This cold air just kind of hovering. So I showed this before. I'm going to show it again. Tomorrow we've got the rain. The wind's going to pick up a little bit as well. The cold air is Friday. Notice what happens Friday night. We drop into the 30s and low 40s for overnight lows. It'll be chilly early Saturday morning, highs in the 50s, and then that first good mountain snow will cover the Cascades north to south. So here's a look at the snow level from today's 9,000 feet, technically tomorrow's 9,000 feet, dropping dramatically to 5,000 feet on Friday. Saturday, Sunday, that's when we got that snow that'll really hover over the mountains. So from now until Friday morning, nothing. Okay, we got the rain coming. That's about it. And then as we move through your weekend, that snow slides all the way down into parts of Oregon. For us, we've got snow flurries that'll be taking place up in the mountains, even moving its way to areas just on the east slope. So Wenatchee is going to be on the border. Same thing for areas like near Winthrop and, of course, Spokane, and then that extends all the way into northern Idaho and Montana. Now, right now, conditions are not bad at all. Playing the waiting game for the rain to start, and then the snow will impact us. The rain is just to the north, and this whole feature is going to be coming sliding down probably as we head into the morning hours tomorrow. So I'm going to get rainfall for us early on. You wake up, it's going to be kind of damp, and of course that's when you want to grab the rain jacket for the kiddos, for yourself. Second half of the day, not too bad. Some sun breaks possible as long as we get that cloud shield to move out of here. You've got temperatures climbing into that mid 60 range. So here's the storm I was just showing you. There's how it slides down. So now we pause it at 11:30 tomorrow. Okay, now we're seeing most of the mountains. By midday, we're actually beginning to quiet down a little bit around Puget Sound, and then by the afternoon, drying out. Now, there's a brief break before the next storm moves through, before the cool air moves in. This is 1:30 in the afternoon Friday, so expect more rain Friday for everybody in Puget Sound, in the mountains. That snow will be starting to pop up, and of course, that sticks with us through Saturday. Here's Saturday's timestamp at 8 p.m., and that could go through parts of Sunday as well, at least in the mountains. So here you go, 64 dropping down to 56 this weekend. Cool. Look at the sunshine next week, though. It'll be nice once we get these storms out of here.